Okay, now we have another presenter is Dr. Ala from Ukraine, and her topic of presentation is postmodern transformation of rural tourism development. So may I call upon Dr. Ala? Dr. Ala, may I call upon you for your presentation? Dr. Ala, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Please go ahead. The floor is yours.
Videos. Can see?
No, we cannot see anything.
Not. Not video?
Yeah, it is not seen. Can you share your presentation?
Yes.
Please
Yes.
share. Please share.
Yes. Dear colleagues, dear partners, dear students, and dear Dr. Hasrat. My name is Ala Pechenyuk. I'm a chairperson, Institute of Socio-Economic Regional Studies, and associate professor from in the State Agrarian and Engineering University in Podila, Ukraine, Kamenets-Podilsky. I want to present my research on postmodern transformation of rural tourism development. Just a moment, my presentation.
Yes, it is visible.
Yes.
And you have only 10 minutes.
Just a moment. Can you see my presentation?
Yes, we can see it.
Thank you. The theme of postmodern transformation of rural tourism development determines a broad philosophical discourse on whether postmodernism is our future. The basis of existing sociological discourse is in postmodern tourism is the definition of two vectors, simulation, fake, and other research. The first direction is related to hyperrealistic analysis simulation. The second direction is related to the search for real, the deep, the search for oneself, one's roots, defines the attractiveness of natural and rural areas as postmodern expressions. The phenomenon of postmodern influences.
Dr. Ala,
Yes.
please move your slides. Because only the front page is coming. Yeah. It's okay. You continue. Yes.
Thank you. The phenomenon of postmodern influences in tourism can be considered from several aspects. Figure 1. First aspect, information and technology. It led to the emergence of a new type of human consciousness, which is simultaneously the creator, carrier, and consumer of information. In our opinion, the level of availability of information technologies in a certain tourist direction is important in the issue of postmodern transformation of rural tourism development. In general, the average world penetration of the internet is about 60%, in Ukraine 56%. It significantly hinders the development of tourism in the context of attraction mass postmodern tourists to society. Postmodern philosophy has led to the formation of a society of spectacles, the ultimate product of which is the image. To complete the study of postmodern tourism society, consider the characteristic of the evolution of the types of social relation in the context of tourism development, which are shown in table 1. The above information indicates the presence of similar features between Archaean society, modern and postmodern society. Common features are their focus on the individual consumer, liberalization, lack of clear guidelines subject to global mechanism in postmodernism. Related are also the problem of man and the definition of his place in tourist consumption. The pity of human extends while maintaining its integrity in the first case and reducing social contacts and increasing the fragmentation of life in the second. The big problem is the increasing tourist marginalization of the population. 3. Socio-cultural. The high degree of development of cultural competence reduces the preconditions for the formation and spread of tourist poverty. 4. Personal, psychological. Postmodern influences have formed a new personality, the post-tourist. This is a modern type of consumer who has a considerable experience of tourist travel, but satisfied with imitation of reality. The main stimulus for consumptions is emotions, experiences, and memories. Figure 2. Postmodern transformation create certain opportunity for tourist destination, taking into account the tourism concept of the dream industry in the rural community development strategy can be defined as hyperreality with appropriate content. In this sense, the main purpose of a tourist trip will not be just a physical visit to the destination, but the satisfaction of their own sensory component and emotional relaxation. The negative consequences of postmodern tourist influences include destruction of national identity and culture, natural environment, depopulation of rural areas, formation of artificial reality to expect tourists, a significant mythologizing of sacred places, a hypertrophy of the effect of presence
Dr. Hala?
of local cultural.
Yeah, excuse me, you have only 1 minute left.
Yes, thank you. Cultural features as a way to end its preserving absolutization and hyperbolization, accompanied by a sense of play and falsehood, the illusion of understanding between the cultures, reducing the public space of rural communities, then orderliness of real life and the word, the spirit of nomadism. A significant leap in the development of information technology necessitates the transition of tourism to another level, which will cover the direction of virtual social life. At that some time today, the debatable issues are to determine the positive and negative benefits of postmodern tourism transformation, which can be considered both from the standpoint of mass postmodern tourism consumer and from the standpoint of personal development. Thank you for attention. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Hala, for your presentation. Thank you.